This video plays at high speed.
Lift knees and walk the left foot toward the head and return a few times. Return when you feel you can't walk forward any further. Walk backward until you feel comfortable to stand on the foot. Leave it and walk the other foot. Leave it and rest in any position as you like. Come on hands and knees again. Lift knees and walk left and right foot alternately toward the head and return. Do this a few times and go backward less and less so the feet stay closer to the head. Your back rises high, and should look like an angry cat when feet are close to the head. Leave it and rest. Once again, come on hands and knees. Lift knees and walk toward the head and stay there, stay in a rather comfortable position. I mean not to effort. Slowly lift one leg and place it back at the same place on the floor, and then do the same with the other leg. Lift and put down legs alternately. Your feet need to come back to the same place. The hands stay firmly on the floor. Make the movement gradually smooth. That means when one leg starts to come down, the other foot lifts. Take a rest anytime you need to, as this becomes tough. Slowly lift both legs simultaneously. It is like a slow jump, while leaning on hands, and of course, come down slowly on the floor with both legs at the same time. Do this many times while taking as many breaks as you need to. Leave it alone and rest on the back. For the last time, roll over and come on hands and feet close to each other. Lift hands once and put them down on the floor, and then lift feet and put them down. Lift hands and feet alternately. Gradually lean on hands longer. The movement becomes like the handstand. Leave it alone and rest on the back to feel the contact with the floor.